The opposite of a number is written using a negative sign. The opposite of 3 is written the opposite of 3 or negative 3. The opposite of negative 5 is written the opposite of negative 5 or 5. Subtraction of integers is accomplished by changing subtraction to addition. For any two integers a and b, a subtracting b equals a plus the opposite of b. In order to subtract integers, the subtraction should be rewritten as addition. For example, 2 subtracting negative 3 should be written as 2 plus 3. Negative 6 subtracting 4 should be rewritten as negative 6 plus negative 4. Always change the subtraction problem to addition before combining terms. 12 minus negative 4 changes to 12 plus 4, which is 16. Negative 4 minus 6 becomes negative 4 plus a negative 6, or negative 10. 7 minus 20 becomes 7 plus negative 20, or negative 13. Let's look at a problem. 2 minus negative 3 minus 7 minus 10 minus negative 14 minus 5. Each subtraction gets changed into addition. This becomes 2 plus 3 plus a negative 7 plus negative 10 plus 14 plus negative 5. Next, I will group numbers with the same signs to get one group of 2 plus 3 plus 14 and another group of negative 7 plus a negative 10 plus a negative 5. The 2 plus 3 plus 14 is 19, and the negative 7 plus negative 10 plus negative 5 is negative 22. Finally, 19 plus the negative 22 is negative 3. Test your knowledge by opening up the Test Yourself activity.